UK from the Sports Centre. I'm going to quick whiz around. And then I'll look at some stores in general. Warming up for the time being. The great one himself, Mr. Wood. Quick fly round.
Unload this.
BND. Which matters. Mr. Chiros. Right. Catch you in detail later. The chap we need to see. Scott Wessex Blades. That's Scott Wessex Blades. Yeah, so these are, it's a whiz and then detail later. No worries. Morning. Hello. So that's the size of it. Just in detail.
I was in there last night, there to go, Duke Titanium. Okay. There's some big lights as well.
Yeah, he's, well, it's just, can I leave this here? I was like, yeah, if you want to. It's like all the way. Yeah.
In Russia.
Can't be the Knives UK without dot 18 from Mr. Oliver. Alright mate, here we go again.
Double seal, double hologram blade, amber sandstone, numbers going in.
Well done. Super job. Very good. One of my favourites is 52-100.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
RWL 34 and Samba. Beautiful wood, it's like a ripple up to it. It's only getting mugged again. Alan Wood.
I really wanted to get a picture of you at some point, and then I was going to do a book that has the makers and the knives, you know, sort of ones that are related and famous. Yeah, amazing, fantastic.
I don't have a website anymore.
No,
Don't get any work for it.
Lose adjust.
For making the stamps.
Dies, yeah. So it's hard. A die still. Yeah. Brilliant.
I've got it.
Oh, brilliant. Okay.
Yeah, that'd be lovely. Thank you very much.
Hang on a second. That's empty. Is that empty? Gone. What are we going to do with him?
Lightweight.
with CPM S90.
That's nice, that. Well.
Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, that's one might be hot.
There's a bit of a wrist action to it.
House of Resin.
Hi, I'm Stuart from House of Resin, and we're at the knife show. And we're here at this end of the table with our vacuum chambers. These are made by Curtis Seebeck, who is the inventor of the worthless wood stabilising process.
Yeah.
And here we have the cactus juice
Yeah.
that you use with the chambers, and obviously you need a pump to go with it. This is a very fancy pump. You don't
It's
need
a
one.
beast, but yeah,
You
yeah.
don't need a beast like that, but yeah. We're also a dealer for paraffin kilns. So if you're making knives, if you want heat treating,
Yeah.
then
So that's like the old KM 1518 series.
yes,
Yeah.
all the KMs, yeah, and the yeah.
Yeah, that's because obviously being a dedicated knife kiln, the temperature sensing and stability is
Yeah.
better than if you're doing beads and glass only.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. So we can get those in, and then up the other end of the table, we've got all of our casting resins, polyurethane, epoxies, colours for making some very
The infills, yeah.
infills. These lovely pieces have been made by one of our customers, Mark Lewin. Mark at TQ Blanks. Shout out for Mark.
Fantastic. Well, it's great to have our supplier because these things have been a pain in the backside to get by
We're
the
happy to
States.
be your supplier.
Fantastic, thank you.
No worries. Thanks, mate.
Survivalist.
Yeah. Great.
I like knives, all the carabins.
Nigel Raisins.
Go on, it rips off.
Virility and strength.
The reason is that you get all these water.
Yes, handmade, sand-like construction. It's only 30 quid. Yeah. Well, I've never seen one. I think £30 is quite a reasonable price for that.
Oh yeah. Like,
there's some real medium and real ones are brand. If you're looking for EFC type, that's the
Yes,
Like, these are a little big as well, aren't they?
Really, because it gives you a much more consistent. This one's the only option. They are 115. Similar, just slightly.
Overworked. Yeah. Pretty crazy. I did a Tesco's a few hours in the morning. Yeah. Some nights it's 9:30 at night, 10 o'clock at night, back up the next morning, 10 to 4. Just dies. Finishing lives, YouTube videos, never stop.
I delivered one the other day and I sent it to the post office. I'd just say it's a piece of metal.
To announce the winners of the night. Okay, just have a little silence for a moment, please. So, we've got 7 categories. First category I'm going to announce is Best Kitchen Knife, and that is from Andy Camperman. Best amateur from scratch is Craig Burton. Some silence, please. Best young maker, best young knife maker, Oliver. Oliver Sloan. With all these trophies.
Get a prize later.
Okay, so best folder. Best folder is the gentleman from outside these shores, Mr. Milos Gislinger. Best amateur from blank is Lee Besant. Section to judge was silence, please. Just a little bit of quiet. Shaman Knives, best fixed. However, honourable mentions must go to Andy Martland. Where is Pezza? Where's Ben? So, best in show is Mr. Nowaki!
I need to set up jigs and profiles and things like that. At the moment, it's taking me
You haven't got so much
a little bit off, take your one, try it.
Well, what's it going to?
absolutely.
So example price is about 460 for the motor and side attachment. Side disc. And of course you've got power and speed on this. Or just the attachment. And you were saying that you've got to obviously match the hole up to whatever your spindle is. Yeah.
All these belt packs.
Yeah.
And the belts come as singles.
Okay.
And in anything you want to buy them in. So and they're all made in the UK, like big brand 3M, Norton, etc.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah.
But converted in the UK. So I've tried this.
Literally cut to fit already in a pack, and it matches that straight away.
Yes, in a single.
Let's get the notes. Yeah.
Good for it.
Fantastic time again at the Knife Show UK 2018, and Ben can introduce his new Bushmuck.
Yeah,
Thank you, Ben.
Thanks, Scott. So yeah, we get to do this nearly every year at the Knife Show now, so we introduce something that's new. So this is one of our latest sort of models. This is the Bushmuck that we brought out. So this is a new bushcraft knife that's heavily sort of designed around a Nesmuk style blade shape. I wanted to make something that had a very nice curved shaped handle that almost fits every hand size, so it will fit standard hands, larger hands. If you're holding it inverted, this nice rounded butt sits into your palm of your hand nicely. This sort of very sort of broad tip to the blade, this upswept blade shape is really nice for sort of skinning and food prep and things like that. And a little bit different to what we normally do, the classic sort of spear point that's sort of typical of most bushcraft knives. So this one's a really nice one. This has got desert ironwood scales on it and red liners. This is actually a polished 01 blade on this, but we normally do a sort of stone washed blade finish as a sort of standard entry model. The thing that's almost exciting about this is we're using some of our new leather that we've got. This is British homegrown leather, so this is actually British cattle. Obviously their skins then goes to a UK tannery where they're pit tanned. It takes about 6 months to transform it from the green skin obviously into this lovely veg tan leather, so it's really bomb-proof stuff. So we're using this nice English tan leather now. One of this Bushmucks has gone out to Megan Hine, who's sort of in the press a lot. She's got one in 01 and she's also got one in RWR 34 that she's using on a lot of her adventures at the moment. So really quite excited about the Bushmuck. So if you need any more information,
and you can get that in 2 steels, you say?
Get that in 2 steels, yeah. So you can have it in a carbon steel or in a stainless steel. So if you go in on any kind of water adventure, probably the stainless steel is the option for you. But yeah, if you want to get hold of us, drop us a line. I should imagine Scott will put a link in this video. And we can make you a Bushmuck to your spec.
Thank you.